So we are off to Costa Rica. Woohoo! Let's go. So we're off on a 2-week long haul flight. Let's check this out. Yay! We have just arrived. So we have just arrived at the Rui Palace in Costa Rica. You're gonna have to excuse me, I just had to take my t-shirt off because I'm so hot, so in my sports bra. But I wanted to show you what the hotel was like that we just checked into. So before I've unpacked everywhere. So it's like a walk-in shower. We've got bathroom bit there. There's a standalone bath, which has made me very happy. That's obviously where we came in. Cupboards out, nearly lost my fingers. Cupboard space, plenty of hanging space. Oh yeah, it goes all the way through. A safe, ironing board, umbrella. Apparently it's dry season now, so that's okay, but apparently it's not always. So ironing board. Then we have a mini bar packed full of lovely stuff. Bottled water for arrival, so that will go in there as well. Then there's this, which is a drinks dispenser, which me and Nick have been like, is that meant for us? Apparently so. That happens is in most of the rooms. It's the bed. Sorry, I've already dumped some of my stuff. Nick, he doesn't come with the room, don't worry. And then obviously this looks like some sort of fold out sofa. This is lovely. Nice big fan. And then I'm just going to head outside. So this is our balcony. Oh wow, I feel like I'm in Jumanji. It's pretty gorgeous.
It'll do.
It'll do. So it's New Year's Eve and we are just enjoying some time at the hotel. Sorry I haven't really had a chat. It's been quite crazy busy. But we're having a New Year's Eve party here at the Rui Palace. I'll just pop back to the room to grab my camera and I'll take you downstairs with us and you can see what we get up to. Oh. Much filming because as you can hear I've actually lost my voice. So probably the next part of the video it's going to be pretty much scenic. It's quite a struggle to talk, so it happened sort of over towards New Year's Eve, so you didn't get much of New Year's Eve or anything else after that, and I thought, oh, my voice will get better, and it hasn't. So this travel vlog is a little bit bumpy, but hopefully it can show you a little bit more about what Costa Rica's like, and you'll get a glimpse of it anyway. Who knows, you may or may not hear from me again, but hopefully you'll enjoy the rest of the video. Wave.
Okay, I've taken over talking duty just for a minute because Annie has no voice. Say hi, Annie.
Hi, Annie.
So we are day 3. We're just walking. We're going to go on a little hike. We don't really know where we're going, but I don't know if you can quite see from here. We've kind of got all these sort of lush mountains behind us. Well, not mountains, hills. So we're going to go and have a hike in the hills and see if we can find some wildlife. So it's pretty early. It's about 7 in the morning. And we're just having a stroll through down to the beach and we'll go from there. So yeah, we're just walking down through the pools. The pool bar is behind us. As I say, it's early in the morning, so there's only resort staff around at the moment and a few people here and there. So this is one of the pools. This is where they serve lunch from. It's like a grill station thing and they do ribs and all that stuff. Yeah, pool bar just here called Coconut. Morning. And to you. And we're walking down towards the beach now. So this is pool bar's got a little bar area around it. In the background is the steak restaurant and where there's the lunch buffet. Annie?
Hi.
And then the beach is literally just right there. So there's the pool bar, there's the lunch restaurant, there's the beach. So it's
You
pretty.
can do sports and there's water sports and stuff down there.
So there's water sports and stuff down there. There's paddle boards and kayaks and snorkeling and things like that, which we haven't really done yet. The first day was all about family birthday and New Year, really. We arrived on the
30th.
we got here on the evening of the 30th. Had to fall down the 31st, which was obviously New Year. Yesterday was just chilling and catching up with ourselves, and now we're sort of ready to crack on and get going. So that's what we're going to do. So here we are down on the beach. We're sort of heading into the beach area. You can see those hills in the background. There's the two hotels side by side.
So I can't remember the Rui.
Guanacaste, I think it is.
One, yeah.
So this is our Rui Palace, which is the white one. Guanacaste is the red roofed one. I'm not sure if you can see it, but on that hilltop behind the hotel, you can just see a little structure on the top.
Oh, yeah.
That's the zip wire from the adventure park that goes a mile down towards the beach. So from the top of that hill, you can strap into a zip line and go whizzing down the zip line, which not on my to-do list. But hey ho. So I'll have a quick walk down onto the beach. We're going to go where those people are heading down in that direction when we get going. You can see it's quite...
It's nice and still today. Yesterday it was really choppy. I wanted to go out on the stand-up paddleboard, but I was like, this isn't going to be fun. But you can go see kayaking as well, which you know that we both love. Obviously I've done it we did it in Croatia, I did it in Aruba, and we went in San Diego. So I'd like to take the sea kayaks and take you on a little tour of that, which might be nice. But you can obviously hire stand-up paddleboards, they do jet skiing, there's boat rides, there's all sorts that you can do down there.
Yeah, there's a lot of powered stuff down here as well, so because we're on an all-inclusive, we'll obviously get the paddle boards and the kayaks and all that kind of things included. But then there's jet skis and power boats and banana boat rides and all that other normal stuff, which is quite cool.
Beautiful.
So here's the beach. We're going to head over there. See if we can find the route to go up and over to the beach on the other side. Oh, and there's one right here in front of us. I didn't see that one. You can see there's a little monkey right in front of us. Yeah? And there's a little monkey just up there as well. There's loads down here in this little grove. See them all. They're playing, look.
I can see them. It's funny.
There's a little baby one at the top.
Oh yeah.
Upside down. Not sure if you can quite see, but there's a monkey just
Oh, little baby.
up there. And then there's some swinging monkeys just behind him. So there's two there. And then one big one at the top, look, just coming down the tree. Oh, and there's another one obviously over there.
So this is walk strike 2. See if we can get where we want you to. I might leave you to talk to Nick once he's woken up. You know what he's going to say? I should listen to him more often.
I'm not going to say that because you would never listen to me, so it wouldn't go in.
But it'll never catch on.
It won't.
Can I go?
I think that's more cobwebs than anything. Well, we'll go.
Yeah.
Worst case, we're on the far end of the track that we were on yesterday.
Yeah.
So.
This is quite a huge amount, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if I just go straight and we're heading straight down?
Yeah.
Just doing...
Do you want me to go?
No, it's fine, I'll go. It's nice being in the shade, isn't it?
First decent hill, how are we feeling?
Alright at the moment. My feet are squelching from the water. But good. I wouldn't want to come out any later than this because it's already really humid. How are you feeling, Brooks?
Feeling good. Now I'm awake. So we're following the trail. It's kind of a vehicle track, but it's getting steep. So we're just slowing down a little bit just to catch our breath on this particularly steep section.
Yeah.
Camera probably doesn't quite show it as steep as it is, but it's pretty steep.
And it's warm now.
Yeah.
Fun.
It's 20 past 7, but it's probably gone up 3 or 4 degrees since we started.
Yeah.
Half an hour ago.
Oh.
So activities in Costa Rica start early.
I think that's what our general sort of advice for anywhere we're going, start early, isn't it?
On this flat bit.
I don't even have to tell you, I can have you. Well, when we get to the top, there's some water. And if you want to hike, past 7 and it's warm.
Now that we've gone up and over, we now have the reverse situation of going down a very steep hill. It's quite loose and slidey, but hopefully we're getting there. So we'll be posting to, I think Annie's got her Strava going, so we'll be able to post to you the route we've gone, just following this vehicle track. But hopefully it'll be to quite a deserted area, and we'll see what that looks like. 7:30 in the morning and we're drenched, but there's a boat just arrived that I think might be snorkelers or maybe divers, but you can see hopefully the beach through here. Pretty paradisey, and hopefully the boat will bugger off and we'll have the beach to ourselves for half an hour before we head back for kayaking. It's a busy little morning. We've got a water park to get to. There's it's the NFL wildcard playoffs, so Dave and his brother and I are going to go and watch that whilst Annie does a painting class.
Yeah, there's a painting class in the hotel, and actually because it is so hot here, it is a good idea to get out the sun sometimes. So I've planned to do it every day. There's loads of activities going on. So I did yoga yesterday, and then as I was coming out of yoga, I saw that people were doing painting. So we did painting onto do like t-shirt printing, or like painting onto a canvas. And I don't know if you remember, everyone, link will be in the bio. Aruba, I did a painting class on the beach and painted flamingos. So I think they're painting lizards, so I'll be doing some lizard painting a bit later, which will be fun.
Off-piste time. Let's see how far we can get, because we're just going around this compound that I think is like a retreat type place, but obviously they've got a fence around, so we're hoping that we can sneak down to the beach. There is a bit of a path here, so fingers crossed. Okay, we've managed to hit sand, so a bit of okay, so the boat has indeed buggered off, and we've managed to I'm watching my feet. we've managed to not sneak, it's a public beach, but it takes a bit of getting to by foot. We've managed to get ourselves down from the beach where we're staying over at Rui Palace to this beach. I don't know what it's called, but I'm getting tangled in the sugar cane. It gets tangled all around your legs. So this is all sugar cane. But hopefully we'll get down here. It's really hard going through the sugar cane.
This is like,
Hey. Oh. Weather.
Leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but memories. I think that's important in an ecology place like this.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that was definitely worth the walk.
Yes.
So it's taken us just under an hour, but that's a pretty good clip where we don't hang about particularly. So yeah, the water here is so clear compared to around the corner. The beach is totally different. So this is a much sort of whiter corally beach, whereas our beach is very volcanic. You can see there how clear the water is. So we're probably going to jump in, we'll take you in. So after a good hike, we've managed to find our secret Paradise Cove, and he's trying to take pictures of me whilst I'm trying to talk. So we're on a beach, I don't know what it's called. So no, we've hiked over from our hotel and just us. And really clear water.
Oh, this is lush. Oh, how nice. Well, this was definitely worth that horrible hill, wasn't it?
Hey, we've got to get back yet.
Well, yeah, actually quite. You gonna dunk?
Yeah, we can dunk. It drops off. There you go. You found it.
I got it. I love your sunglasses. They look so, you make everything look so blue.